Oh, pare, ito na. Ito na ang mga reunion ng Llamas. Okay, so, ito, thanks to Rowena Reyes na she finally find out kung paano i-operate sa Patetos with ako IT. Pare, sisimulan ko na sa dalawang to, na nagbubulahan sa dalawa, matagal lang hindi nakikita. Don, what do you got to say? Nasa ano na kaya, pare, ipopost na. Well, what?
It's just nice that you guys are here.
John, what about you, John? What drink to that? What's good enough?
It's very rare that you see stuff like this.
Okay. Where we at? You guys want to tell us where we at?
Well, the next time, I hope you actually won't say the whole thing. We go to Texas, pare. We go to Texas, we go fly, pare.
Okay, next. Ito pare, ang Antonio Carming. Ano na ba masasabi mo?
Pare, from Orange County, 7 hours. Our anniversary.
Yes!
5-year anniversary.
Wow!
Today.
Mr. Carming, thank you very much.
Congratulations!
Yes! Ayan! Yes! Okay. Alright, now what we have in here is Rowena Reyes. Rowena, say something. Of course. Ikaw ang nagtas nito.
5-year anniversary.
Ayan!
I would like to add something. Anniversary with the less fortunate.
Okay na.
5 years.
Oh, 5 years ulit, 5 years. Edwin Katakutan. Pare, what can you say, pare? You have enough beer or you need some more beer, you need some alcohol?
I'm okay.
He's okay. Looks like it.
Ako na.
Ayan!
Go Hooters!
Go! My kind of guy! Let's find out who is that guy. Let's find out who is that guy. Randy, it's your turn. Pare, Randy. Okay, Randy, pare. Anong...
Say, more power to the new depart.
Pasensya na, medyo lasing na kami rito.
Unfortunately, I'm married. I got a son. 2 wives.
Okay. That is Mr. Randy Medina, of course. We know
My
that.
marriage expires on
Iikot natin dito. Tignan natin mga bisita. Marami pang bisita dito eh. Julius. Si Julius Dayaw. Julius Dayaw is also here. You gotta say something. Julius, what do you have to say, pare? Pare, what do you have to say? Walang yan. Saan ka pupunta? Bakit naman? Sige, pakap. Sige. Mr. Duway. Say hi. Okay. Lorenzo, anong balita, pare? Binibidyo ko to, pare. Ito, ano mo? Ito ang... Pare, sige. Julius. Pare, next time ulit.
Pare, tatatawag ka namin doon.
Kita tayo ulit next time. Ingat lang, Julius. Okay. Lorenzo, what do you have to say, pare?
Huwag sanang kasusugan ka.
Ito, halfway na kami. It's actually it's a halftime break. This is the second time that Lorenzo is gonna barbecue, but this is the halftime break. So, medyo nagsimula na yung grupo at medyo tapos na. So, nagba-barbecue pa ulit si Lorenzo. Okay. Lorenzo, thank you very much for inviting us in your place, pare. Okay?
It's my cousin's place.
Okay. Itong may-ari ng bahay. Hi, ate. Lily, hi. Oh, okay. Iikot natin. Hindi na, ako na nga. Kaya nga akong kumukuha nito para wala ako sa video. Ayan, sir. I-stop natin. Si Edwin. Okay.
Club.